The better your social media photography, the more enticing you become as a destination to visit. Quality photography will help to build your pub's reputation and credibility. Just like these images showcasing the food menu or even the external location of your pub, this can really entice people to come and visit your space. I love this Instagram carousel in the middle, which users swipe through the different images, and you can upload up to 10 photos in an Instagram carousel. So use a phone with a high-spec camera to create high-quality content in your pub. Make sure that your lens on your smartphone is clean by giving it a quick wipe before you take your content. And also think about your lighting. Natural daylight is best for photography, so anywhere near a window, but you can lighten up your images quite easily now, so don't worry too much if it is a bit dark. You might want to use a light, such as a selfie ring light, which you can purchase on Amazon very easily, and there's a link in the description below. Frame your photo so the main focus is in the middle of the shot, and ensure that it's not blocked or blurred out. Your camera will automatically focus on what's in the foreground, and if you wish to adjust this, simply tap on the screen where you want to sharpen the focus. Also, remember to always take your photo in portrait mode rather than landscape, so you don't need to turn your phone. This is because the photos will take up more space in the newsfeed. You can have a look at your phone's inbuilt lighting settings by scrolling right, and this is on an iPhone. So as I said, photos can be very easily brightened, like in this example, or cropped and filtered within your media library on your phone. But if you'd like to use an external app, then Photoshop Express is free and allows you to edit photos, retouch, and make collages too. So you can see at the bottom there are some pre-built filters available for you to add on top of your photography. So scroll through these and see what looks good. And there are some particular ones that are really great for food, such as these HDR themed filters. So to recap, here's the guide to photography for social media. First, use high quality cameras. The quality of your photos will make a big impact on how your pub is perceived, so it's worth investing in a latest phone with a good camera. Don't forget to clean your lens. Next, pay attention to lighting. Good lighting is essential for great photos, so try to take photos in natural light or use a professional lighting setup if you're taking photos indoors. You can edit your photos at a later date. Experiment with composition. Composition refers to the way elements in a photo are arranged, so try not to have a photo that's heavily zoomed in or too far away from the subject or too busy. And edit your photos using an app. So have a go at cropping. You could look at things like brightening your images in apps like Photoshop Express, adjusting the exposure and contrast, or adding filters to enhance your photos. So by following these tips, you can create high quality photos that will help your business stand out in social media. Here are some ideas for photography that you could use for your pub. Firstly, people love to see pictures of your pub, both your interior and exterior, to give followers a sense of what it's like to visit. Photos of your food and drink, of course. So high quality photos of your menu items and specialty drinks can help to give your followers a taste of what you've got on offer. Event photos. Sharing photos from events happening at your pub, such as live music or sports viewing, can give people a bit of FOMO, fear of missing out. So make sure those photos are well lit and look like everybody's having a great time. Behind the scenes photos, sharing glimpses of what goes on behind the scenes at your pub, such as your kitchen or staff at work, can help to give your followers a sense of the atmosphere and the culture of your business. Particularly if you've got a new space that's about to launch, you could tease some of the building going on around that, like the example on the left. Customer photos. Take photos of your customers enjoying their pub experience. This is also a great way to get them checking your social media feeds to see whether they feature. You could also use images that your customers have already uploaded to social media, as long as you've got their permission and you do tag them in the caption, like in these examples. And finally, employee photos. Photos of your team, your management, either all together or individually to introduce them, can help to engage your followers and give them a deeper look at your business. Remember to use high quality cameras and pay attention to lighting to ensure that your photos look their best. I love having props in photos too, like in this example of the balloons, or maybe the meal and the pint. By sharing photos like these, you can engage your followers and give them a deeper look inside your business. Remember to always use high quality cameras and pay attention to lighting to ensure your photos look their very best.